Good morning, everyone, and thank you for choosing today's market analysis. Every day, our goal is to provide you with a thorough and knowledgeable analysis of the most relevant financial news to help you navigate the complex economic landscape. Let's begin our daily review. Market analysis, September 7, 2023. In today's global financial arena, the US dollar has taken center stage, surging to a remarkable 6-month high. Simultaneously, tech juggernaut Apple Incorporated has faced a steep decline in its share prices, ushering in a day of notable market turbulence. U.S. stock futures have come under pressure, particularly on the Nasdaq 100, which has witnessed a substantial 0.8% slide. Among the notable casualties are industry giants Apple Incorporated and Nvidia Corporation, both grappling with a 2% loss in pre-market trading. The trigger for this abrupt downturn in the tech sector can be attributed to China's announcement of plans to prohibit the use of iPhones within select government agencies. This announcement has sent shockwaves through the U.S. technology stocks, which had been leading the market rally this year. The enduring strength of the U.S. dollar has emerged as a dominant theme in the current financial landscape. Investors have closely monitored a series of economic reports highlighting the robust growth of the U.S. economy, in stark contrast to weakening economic conditions in Europe and China. Notably, the euro has faced a decline following data revealing a drop in German industrial output, while the Chinese yuan has experienced a significant depreciation, reaching a 16-year low in onshore trading. Peter Kinsella, head of global currency strategy at Union Bancaire Privée UP SA, has commented on the situation, emphasizing, "You are seeing a clear slowing in growth outside the US, so in that context, the dollar will do well, especially as you also have ongoing Fed hawkishness." The Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index is now on track for an unprecedented 8th consecutive week of gains, marking the longest streak of increases since data records began in 2005. This underscores the belief that the U.S. economy is heading for a soft landing, bolstering expectations that the Federal Reserve will maintain higher borrowing costs for an extended period, further enhancing the appeal of the greenback. Money markets have witnessed a surge in bets on a potential Federal Reserve rate hike in November, with odds reaching 60%. Simultaneously, expectations regarding the degree of Fed easing in the coming year have been adjusted, now hovering around 100 basis points, down from well over 150 basis points at the beginning of 2023. Market participants will be closely scrutinizing U.S. weekly jobless claims later in the day, as well as speeches by several Federal Reserve officials, seeking insights into the future direction of U.S. monetary policy. In the broader global context, European stocks have experienced a dip, with the technology sector taking a hit. Asian equities have also closed lower, primarily driven by the struggles faced by Chinese stocks, particularly in the property development sector. Stock markets are poised to open lower for the third consecutive day this week, with the S&P 500 down by 0.78% in pre-market trading. These losses come as renewed concerns emerge about the state of the economy, as the services sector expanded for an 8th consecutive month in August, suggesting that the economy may still be running too hot. Additionally, bond yields remain elevated, with the 10-year Treasury yield hovering just below 4.3%. Meanwhile, West Texas Intermediate crude oil is trading around $87 per barrel. In a separate development, China has imposed a ban on state employees from using Apple's iPhones and other foreign-branded devices while at work. This move raises questions about the impact on Apple's market position, with observers closely watching for further developments. In the corporate world, Verint Systems, VRNT, faces a downgrade as Evercore IC revises its rating from outperform to in line following a lackluster quarter. Furthermore, the firm has lowered its price target on VRNT stock from $50 to $28 per share. Roku Incorporated, ROKU, has been downgraded from buy to hold by Loop Capital. The firm cites concerns that Roku's recent restructuring efforts may impact revenue growth in 2024, as Roku had announced a 10% reduction in its workforce as part of cost-cutting measures, which initially boosted its shares. Jefferies has raised its price target on Oracle, ORCL, to $145 per share, up from $135, while maintaining a buy rating on the stock. The firm reiterates Oracle as its top pick in the large-cap software sector, emphasizing its value. Barclays has downgraded Dell Technologies, DELL, from equal weight to underweight due to challenges in the PC and server/storage end markets. The firm maintains its price target for Dell stock at $53 per share. Mizuho has increased its price target on business software firm Intuit, INTU, to $600 per share, up from $550, while reiterating a buy rating. This adjustment follows the recent launch of Intuit Assist, a new generative artificial intelligence-powered assistant. C3.ai, AI, does not seem to be capitalizing on the growing demand for AI, according to Bank of America, which reiterates an underperform rating on the enterprise AI stock. The price target for AI remains at $18 per share. HSBC has initiated coverage on Morgan Stanley, MS, with a buy rating and a price target of $99 per share. The move reflects the bank's positive outlook on Morgan Stanley's performance. Lastly, Credit Suisse has increased its price target on software firm HubSpot, HUBS, to $650 per share, up from $580, following the company's recent Analyst Day. The firm maintains an outperform rating on Hub stock, highlighting its confidence in the company's future prospects. Before proceeding with our analysis, we would like to remind you that your support is very important to us. If you enjoy this video and find our content helpful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. This helps us grow and provide you with even more quality content. Now, let's get back to the news on the financial markets and the latest updates. In the world of cryptocurrency, a series of developments and market trends are making headlines today. 1. Crypto spot trading hits multi-year low. According to data from CC Data, cryptocurrency spot trading has reached its lowest volume since March 2019. In August, spot trading on centralized exchanges saw a 7.78% decline, amounting to $475 billion, while derivatives volume also dropped by over 12% to $1.62 trillion, marking the second lowest level since 2021. This decline in trading activity suggests that the crypto market is currently driven by speculation, with even significant events like Grayscale's legal victory over the SEC failing to ignite trading interest. 2. Mirae Asset collaborates with Polygon on tokenization. Major South Korean investment banking firm Mirae Asset Securities is partnering with the Polygon network to further the tokenization of assets within the finance sector. With the guidance of Polygon, Mirae Asset, managing over $500 billion in assets, aims to establish infrastructure for the issuance, exchange, and distribution of tokenized securities. Tokenization involves representing real-world assets as digital tokens on the blockchain, enhancing efficiency, transparency, and liquidity in transactions. 3. SIBO files for spot Ether ETFs. SIBO's BZX exchange has submitted the necessary paperwork to list spot Ether, ETH, ETFs offered by ARK21 Shares and VanEck. Coinbase will serve as the surveillance sharing partner for these products, a role similar to its involvement in proposed spot Bitcoin ETFs. Once the SEC acknowledges the filings, a 240-day review period begins, which is typically allowed to run its full course. Approval of either fund would mark the first spot Ether ETF to be listed in the United States and possibly the first such product for any cryptocurrency. However, the fate of Ether ETF applications will be closely watched, considering the delays and rejections faced by Bitcoin products. In conclusion, we'd like to thank you for watching today's market analysis. If you enjoyed our insights and found the information helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel to stay updated with future analyses. Thank you again for your support, and we'll see you soon with more interesting news. Remember, the information in this video is purely informational and does not constitute investment advice. Always consult with a professional before making financial decisions.